Another bonus tip is to smile while you're saying something. There was a period when I was in this public speaking club and I would compete against this one other speaker who would always win. And I didn't like this because this other speaker didn't use that many words. What he would do a lot was that he had this smiling face. Anytime he would say something, he had this default smile as he was delivering the words. And even when he wasn't delivering the words, he was still over here smiling away. This caused a lot of the audience members to laugh. And as soon as you make the audience members laugh, normally you're going to win the competition. And each time he would beat me. Eventually one day, curiosity got the best of me and I went up to him and I'm like, you take a lot of pauses. You use your body a lot. Why? And that's when he gave me a brilliant insight. He was like, so before coming to this public speaking club, I was an actor. Unfortunately, I'm a failed actor. I never lived out my dreams in being in movies, but they taught me something. And they taught me something that changed my life forever. You don't just communicate to someone's ears. You also have to communicate to someone's eyes. And that's when I just had this massive insight. Because this entire time in this public speaking club, I'm over here using all these words, trying to communicate with someone's ears. And here he is, giving me his secret. You need to talk to the eyes as well. So a lot of the times, people don't laugh because they have no clue that you're telling a joke. But if you smile, not only do you feel good, you make them feel good as well, and you make them ripe to give them a comedic experience.